Riwruok jopuonj mar NAT koro dwaro ni piny owacho bwo migawo mar somo mondo lok nying jotend sikunde kawuok e head teachers kendo koro dendgi ni principals. Kotelnigi kod jagoro maduong' Collins Oyu, gikoni jotend sikunde go sani koro med tich mapek mar tayo sikunde mag ECD kachiel kod junior secondary, omiyo kaber to nego medgi lemo kachiel kod osara. Komachielo bende gidwani kaber to piny owacho tim nonro ewi kwan omenda monego tigo e gero klese. Kagikoni $1 million moketino e chenrono nyalo reme kuonde mamoko kaluwore gi alwora kod lwasi magintiere.
Karibu sana, then we can allow our
what our head teachers want. One, they want to get transformed from becoming a head teacher to a principal. Moving from managing a teacher to managing a whole school with animals, with a farm, and with everything else. That is what we refer as a principal.
Our question is, yes, when they've done so well, the common labor practice is additional workforce or additional labor. You require additional remuneration. That's the position. Then two, I listened carefully. And the complex of the schools that we have now does not require heads to be referred to as head teachers anymore. You should be referred to as principals of those schools. So the change of name, and this one must follow up, National Chairman. What we are waiting for was a pronouncement of change of title of heads of institutions.